What's up, y'all? It's Liv here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more travel, lifestyle, and makeup videos. But long time no see. I know, that's my fault. I'm back though. Your girl's got like 500 something gigabytes of storage now, so we are good to go. I'm gonna be taking you guys on my journey for the next year straight up. I'm gonna be posting every day as far as shorts, and then I'm gonna try to at least get one video a week. Today, we are gonna be doing my hair. Y'all already know, can't keep it the same for too long. So I wanted to go ahead and use the Melted Hairline by Outré. Y'all already know this is like my favorite to go into, but we're gonna prep the wig by getting the scalp to match mine. And this is what it's looking like. Not a full lace wig, but it is a frontal and it goes ear to ear. So let's get this going. So first things first, we're gonna take out the wig and we're gonna have to prep it and we're gonna make it match the scalp. You wanna get a lace tinter. You're gonna take your lace tinter and try to hold it back a little bit, like test it out. Okay, so shake it up a little bit, test it out. All right, perfect, it's already going on there good. And then you're gonna put it on your lace. While we do this, let's catch up. Like, first of all, did y'all hear about the TikTok ban? TikTok ban? I know a lot of us are all talking about it. I'm just glad that we're finally getting more recognition on YouTube now, because this is where it's really at, okay? I love hanging out with my subs on here. Y'all have all been lit from day one. So I'm glad that we're kind of having a YouTube renaissance in this, you know? Once you've covered all of it, you really don't need much with this type of perfect. This actually blended in so well. Now look at that. You don't see any knots, nothing. Now we're gonna do the bald cap method. As you can see, I've already removed my other wig and I've put on one of the stocking caps. This is like an HD lace one or an HD wig cap or a regular wig cap. It doesn't matter which one you do, but you're gonna use a little razor or scissors to cut little ear holes. All right, so now you're gonna take a hairspray, got to be glued, or any type of like spray, holding spray, and spray down the edges. I usually start with like hairspray just to get it going, and then I use a holding spray right after. Overall, just to kind of catch you guys up on some stuff that's been going on with me, your girl now lives in New Orleans. It's lit. Definitely not what I was expecting, but I got relocated out here for work, so that was interesting. But what's even more interesting is this year's so full of events here in New Orleans. We have the Super Bowl this year, we have Mardi Gras, of course, the Taylor Swift concert was here already. Like, that was crazy. So much fun stuff to do. So can't wait to take you guys on my journey this year. And I promise I'll be way more consistent. This is the Style Fixer Lace Bond Spray. I like to use a layer of this on the ball cut too. Now you're gonna give this a moment to let all of this dry. You can either get some stuff done while this is drying or hurry up and blow dry it. Sometimes the blow dryer still takes a while, so not like a while, but you know, it just depends. It depends on which products you use. These don't take super long to dry, but some other products do, and I know like the Got to Be Glued sometimes takes a while to do it too. You want this to lay flat, so pull it all the way down. So to kind of catch you guys up, I will be posting a lot more about like what's happened like before that I didn't get a chance to share with you guys, like my engagement, period. We definitely will show you guys the video and everything that I made. I posted a lot on TikTok about it, but the problem is I didn't keep you guys updated, and I've been rocking with you guys longer, so I'm so sorry. I'm gonna let you guys know everything. Let's go ahead and let this dry real quick, and then we'll jump into the next part. All right, you guys, so we're back and we're dry. So what you're gonna do is just start cutting. And you're going to cut all the way around until it looks more like natural into the skin. You can also use the razor for it as well. I just want to get the main part cut. Cut around the edges to where it looks natural. You want to let your hairline be a little bit, like I'd say an inch away from where you're cutting, because you don't want any of your hair to get damaged by putting on a wig. That's why I keep my hair protected and braided up. And as you can see, you should already have your hair braided down. I already usually have my hair braided by either someone else, because I don't do my own braids. But you can also do like twists and like, you know, braid down, twist to the head, and then tie it down at the bottom. As long as it's flat, you can get the wig on. I always pull my wig a little bit far down above this as well. You don't want to put it right on this because it could make it look a little too thick. You want the lace to fall as flat as possible. So we have our bald cap on. I did spray the edges a little bit, as y'all can see, to make sure that they lay down flat. Anything additional that we need to like get rid of, we will, but for right now, I think we're looking good. Now we're gonna use our tint to go ahead and spray the top of our wig cap for the scalp effect. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna grab our wig. All right, you guys, so now we have the wig on. You wanna start kind of like parting it out and making sure like all the little baby hairs that it's talking about is pulled out. So that's good. Any type of like knots, I don't wanna see the knots at all. Ooh, I love this bounce though, this is cute. Okay. This is basically the bleaching process minus the bleach. Hold your hair down like this, just like you're like caressing your face. Your lace bond and your melting spray is what's gonna go on next. We're gonna put it around the edges, but you wanna remove the baby hairs so they don't get messed up. All right, you guys, so I put my hair up in like a little bun to where it made it way easier to see the whole picture here. So let's get in our position, use the lace bond first. All right, so you're gonna let this dry, and then by the time everything is dry on the edges, you're gonna cut all of this out. We're gonna do that next. Okay, guys, so I think we're dry. I'm gonna try to go ahead and undo it. You want to get as close to it as possible. Take your time. All right, now we're gonna start spraying around the edges again. It needs another time to melt, so we see what we're working with after that. Take your spray. So I try not to usually put it on right after it's wet, but I want it to kind of hold it down immediately. And I'm gonna take it off and let it dry the rest of the way. I have my skincare on, and I think we have everything dry underneath our band. How's it looking? Looking pretty good. Take her hair down and do the big reveal. Oh, okay. This is giving, yes. What do we think, you guys? I'm off to work, so I can't stay long, but I wanted y'all to see the finished product. And of course, I can lay baby hairs down, but as you can see, I really don't need to because it's giving, okay? I don't need to do much of anything, but if y'all like today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to follow my journey and to see all the different things I'm gonna be doing this year. I will be posting once a week. I'm really excited to show you guys what I plan on doing for the following year. All right, y'all, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments, but I will see y'all later. Bye.